and they did not give me a spoon. How can they not give me a spoon for my ice cream? Give me 1 minute, I need to go get a spoon. Wait, I need to taste this. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am so excited for this video because this is my very first mukbang, and yeah, I hope to do more mukbangs in the future. So anyways, today I'm going to be doing a Domino pizza and Cold Stone ice cream mukbang. And I'm also going to use this as an opportunity to talk to you guys about, okay, why I've not been online, why have I not been posting so much, what I've been up to. So first of all, I want to say Happy New Year, guys. Like, how did you spend your holidays? Hope Christmas was amazing. I know it's already half of the month or half of January and I'm just saying Happy New Year, but the girl has been busy. I've been so busy, like, oh my god, I have been so busy. But anyways, I hope you guys have been fine. So yeah, that's just what today is about. For those of you that do not understand what a mukbang is, it's more or less like just eating and telling you guys what I'm eating. And then, so yeah, I'm just going to start my mukbang. I want to try and put the pizza up so you guys can see what I'm eating. I got everything about, this is the second one. Okay, so I got everything, I think about then my ice cream, I got everything about, I think 10,000 plus. The pizzas individually, this was 3.5, that's the pepperoni. Then the chicken supreme or something was 3,200. Then the small cup of ice cream was, I think, almost to 2,000 each. So if you're looking at it, you're looking at almost 11,000. I don't know how much that is in dollar, but I'll put the amount. So anyways, yeah, and they did not give me a spoon. How can they not give me a spoon for my ice cream? Give me 1 minute, I need to go get a spoon. Wait, I need to taste this. You guys hold on, I'm coming. Hi guys, so this is just to give you a clearer view of everything I got. This is one of the pizza, then the other one, then this is the ice cream, cake batter. I got 2 of it. Alright guys, as I was saying, they did not give me a spoon, so I got this teaspoon we have at home. And yeah, I'm going to start eating my pizza now. If it's not nice, I'm probably going to cry. I love pizza. This is nice, it's okay. A little bit too spicy, but it's nice, it's okay. Don't go follow. I'm gonna see if there's a way I don't know if you guys can see this. How do I set it that you guys will see? Okay, I think this is better. So this is the second one. I'm going to close the second one. Actually, I think I want this one. Yeah, let me taste this one. I'll probably start with the sweetest one. So I wrote down a list of what I'm going to talk about in this video. Just give me a minute. I'm a sucker for ice cream and chocolate. If you don't know before, please know now. Ice cream, chocolate, pizza, snacks. I don't eat too much of it, but now and then I tend to indulge. So I got 2 cake batter. It's called cake batter. I really like this flavor. I wanted to get the Oreos, but I wasn't craving too much chocolate like that. I just wanted this one because it has more vanilla than chocolate. So I want to finish this slice, then I'm going to taste that one. If I like it better, I'll probably eat that one first, because I know myself, I'll probably not be able to finish this. Of late, I've not been eating too much, so I feel like my tummy is closing up and not accepting so much food. Oh yeah, that's true. I also got a drink. DOMINOS, Cold to even come and pay me. I'm just teasing. Oh, I wanted this really cold. It's no longer so cold. Oh god, guys, I have so much to eat here and I'm already full. And I just started this mukbang. How I wonder, like, for real, how will I do it? Really, I feel a mukbang, you have to finish everything you start. Everything you say you eat, you have to eat it. Let's just see how far I can go. I'm done. I want to taste the other one. I'm already on the first one. This is the second one. And guys, I'm already feeling full. Who said me mukbang? Oh my god, like I'm already full. Okay, no wahala. I'm trying the second pizza, so I see if I like this one more. If I like this one more, I'll probably start eating it and then leave the other one, because I know myself, I'll get to a point when I'm too full and I'll probably give it to my brothers. So, or save it and eat it later. That works too. I'm tasting the second one now. I love this one more. I love the chicken supreme more. It's just less spicy. I think I like this one more. It's less spicy. Alright, so let me go into what I said I was going to talk about in this video. No comments. Like literally no comments. I'm in heaven. If you know me well, you know I love Cold Stone ice cream a lot. Like a lot. Alright, so you know I said I'll tell you guys why I've not been online. I've not been online because I'm working a lot on my business. I haven't really been online, guys, because I'm working on my business. On my business page, I sell waist trainers, slimming tea, and then 1 or 2 other things. And it works very well, which is why I can afford to do this. Assuming I didn't have a secret to combat being big or something, I probably wouldn't eat any of this. But based on the slimming tea really works. It's mostly for tummy slimming. I'm working on getting full body slimming very soon. So based on it works, I can afford to eat all these things that I like eating. So I think that's about it. That's really what I want to talk to you guys about. I can't finish this. Guys, I probably should have known my body system before I said I want to do a mukbang. I got myself 2 large pizzas, 2 Cold Stone ice cream, and I've not even gone through anything, and I'm already very full. And I haven't even eaten today. I don't have any issues with the ice cream. I can finish the ice cream. It's a pizza I'm looking at. I'll leave it. I'll probably leave it and finish it later. At least I've tasted from the 2. I think my favorite is this one. It's not too spicy. It's just okay. This one, that's the pepperoni on, is very spicy. It's a little too spicy for me, but I'll probably still eat it or give it to my brothers or just share it with someone, share it with a loved one. So yeah, that's basically it. I know in other mukbang videos they probably finished the food, but I sincerely can't. Yeah, all the brands I've used in this video, you people should make me your ambassador. I don't mind. I know I want it to happen. Let's just see how it goes. Domino's, Biggie Cola, Biggie Company, Cold Stone. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I can't believe I can't finish this food though. Like, it's not that much. Two pizzas, 2 ice cream, then 1 drink. That's all. I think maybe I drank this too fast. Yeah, that's probably why. But usually mukbangs they have like so much food, so that's why I got plenty. Oh, it's nice. It's really delicious, but no. I'm done. Bye. Take care, guys. So hopefully this year I'll make more videos for you. Thank you for supporting me. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye for now.
Please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Also watch my previous videos. Bye for now.